Today, I'm going to make a collection of spring appetizers. I took last week off because I was getting married. Love is in the air. Da, 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 da. He's my da, da, da.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
This is my husband. Oh, yeah. Yep. So the first one, a jalapeno cheddar sausage bite with honey mustard. So one of the butchers I got has these jalapeno bacon cheddar sausages. So look at these. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut them. So here's how I cut them like this. You can really see, these are such cool ones. They've got like, you can see the cheese in them. You can do honey and mustard, but I'm just making it easy, and I just got some honey Dijon here just to make a little dipping sauce. So we all know what these are, right? Couldn't be easier. Oh, now Pillsbury calls these crescent rolls. These are pretty pliable. Look, you could use puff pastry, but these are even easier. So why not? So we're gonna use these. We're gonna use our Pillsbury crescents for this. So we're gonna do sausage, and then we're gonna do cheddar cheese. Okay, so cheddar cheese, sausage, and then we're gonna, and this, maybe you can help me with this, honey, so we can get, so you just kind of pinch them, cover them, and we're gonna start. So now I'm just gonna brush them with the egg. Okay. All right, we'll put them in, and then they're gonna cook for like 13, 15 minutes, something like that. So you could use any mustard and then some honey. I did some honey mustard. I've seen this done with apple cider. I always feel like apple cider is a little rough. So I'm using cherry vinegar. There's already some vinegar in mustard, so I'm gonna taste it as I go here. I just wanna see what it looks, my gourmet pigs in a blanket here in the honey mustard. It's a little hot to eat though. So far it's all Pillsbury. Perfect. Oh my God, those are hearty. Perfect.
Yummy.
So the next thing I'm gonna make, spring pea and prosciutto crostini with whipped ricotta. Normally what you would do if it's fresh bread is you put it in the oven for a few minutes at 400, but we got to skip that. So now we're going to do one of my favorite ingredients, which, as if you guys have been watching me before, is lemon zest. Lemon zest, I mean, what gives you more packed full of flavor but lemon zest? I'm making spring appetizers, and right now I'm gonna zest the heck out of this lemon. So you wanna use whole fat ricotta. Low fat ricotta, pre-chopped garlic, fabulous. So we're gonna add the ricotta, the lemon zest, a little drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice in here, squeeze a fresh lemon. More than a woman to me.
You are in love.
So now I've got my blanched peas. So we're just gonna smash them. I don't wanna blend them because I wanna keep a little of that coarseness.
12 seconds later.
These could probably have a little.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Mashed as much as. Yeah, you're right. I think that's better.
Many, many minutes later.
Can I?
Please. Husband/pea smasher. It's smoked prosciutto.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have the ricotta, the speck, and now we're going to put on smashed peas, and then a little bit of mint, and finish it with a little bit of lemon zest. There is your pea, mint, ricotta cheese crostini. So let's try it. Please follow and subscribe for more recipes, Kavita recipes.